This is how you animate an image with AI completely for free. Go to this website and press plus and upload an image. After you do that, just tap on three dot and click animate and describe the way you want your image to be animated. If you have a last frame or which section you want to in your animate, you can upload that image. If you don't have and only one image, you have only one image, just describe the image you want, and you can change the other aspect ratio, and you can find the lots of other options here. And this website lets you give 120 credit every single day, so you can easily animate lots of images. So this is the quality, and after you done, just press done and download.